Hey guys. It's winter. Montreal's getting hit with a storm, but at least some people are taking this with a little bit of fun. Check this out. I don't know if they're gonna keep doing it, but there's a guy towing around a guy in a toboggan through the parking lot. Sorry to hear a little noise. Oh, they're switching maybe. Oh, it's hilarious. Unfortunately, you guys can't see the amount of snow we have. It's supposed to be only like 20 centimeters, but the drifts that we have in our backyard are huge. Just because of the blowing wind. I can almost see it. One half of one of my bikes is sitting around. Oh man. Nice and snowy. Just been walking around the backyard getting some work done. Ooh. Hole. I'm stuck. There's not much else going on. Unfortunately, I don't know what the day is. I think it's February 2nd. Oh, they are still going. Now, if you can't have fun in winter, why bother living? I'm bugging my dad to head out in the new Fit. It's been broken in already. You can't tell me it wouldn't be fun doing donuts in the Fit. Oh, man. Check this out. Yeah, snow's still deep back here because I haven't shoveled yet. But watch this. Come on, you can't tell me that's not fun and ingenious. It's Canadian redneck fun. By the way, I got this question. I live in Montreal. That's why it seems weird. I speak English, live in French. But it's the way it is. I don't know. I have ideas. If you guys have any ideas for what I should do in the next little while, it's a bit of time off. I was just waiting for work to reply. Hopefully, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we should get fit. Actually, I'm gonna get my bike out. I'm bored. I'm gonna show you the yard since you'll actually be able to see just the mess of snow. Take a look. It's still snowing as is. Just the piles of snow I've been digging out. What else is there to do? Anyways, guys, have a good one. Hey, someone still has the lights up. Anyways, have a good one, and happy, I think it's Chinese New Year, according to More Death 13. Have a good one, guys, and talk